What's up, everybody? Steve with My Beach Brokers. We've gotten several inquiries about wanting to see some of the local boat launches here in Southwest Florida. So I'm going to bring you to one. It's the Imperial launch. It's located off of US 41. It's on the east side of US 41, just north of Bonita Beach Road. And I'm going to take you through there. Also, it reminds me, if you guys want to see anything in Southwest Florida or your South Florida in general, let us know and we can probably do a video on it, and comment below and we'll do our best to show you any kind of area attractions and so forth. So right now I'm headed northbound on US 41, approaching the entrance to the Imperial River Boat Launch. As mentioned, it is on the east side of US 41, so you guys will have to contend with a bridge. So that means you really have to watch the size of your vessel. Obviously, sailboats probably are not going to work by launching over here, even having a house on this backside. And anyway, this is the entrance to the launch. Several years back, I launched out here multiple times. It's not bad. It's usually not too busy either. I'm out here on a weekday in season, and you can see there's plenty of space. It's not always the case, so you always want to try to get your vessel in the water early morning. I believe this place is open from dawn to dusk, and I think there's a pay thing over here. I think it's $5 per day. I'll show that to you guys. There's the address for you, 27551 South Tamiami Trail, Bonita Springs, 34134. Hours are dawn to half hour past sunset. Description below, also put the address for future reference. Yeah, as mentioned, it is $5 per day per vehicle. I think it's almost like the honor system, where you put it into a bucket. I'll show you that as well. As you can see, there's basically two main launches. You can probably launch 4 at a time if need be. Docks are all in good shape. As mentioned, there's US 41. Still a pretty high bridge. You can get a big boat on. Now if you head east, that's going to bring you into Old Bonita, Old 41. Pretty cool out there. A lot of people will actually launch here, take their boats or kayaks, and kayak upriver. So yeah, it's kind of an honor system here. I'm sure they check this. They got envelopes here. You want to bring $5 cash. Grab an envelope here. Drop it into there. No overnight parking. They do have public restrooms here as well. Also, if you're not into boating or don't have a boat, this is still a cool place to come and check out. They got this long boardwalk, so I'll take you guys down it so you can check it out. Better view of US 41. Obviously this is tidal, so the height of the bridge is gonna go up and down with the tides. And there's the boat launch. If you guys enjoyed this and you want to check out more area attractions throughout Florida, go ahead and subscribe. We're gonna keep these videos coming at you guys. And as previously mentioned, if there's something you guys want to see or check out in South Florida or Florida in general, go ahead and drop a message in the comment section below and we'll see if we can work on it for you guys. And thanks a lot for joining us. We appreciate the support. See ya.